the key benefit that we pushed at that point was energy savings, maintenance savings, and lifetime. Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Good to talk to you today. Today, we're going back to basics. I've been personally selling and supporting LEDs since 2013. So that's 13 years. They first came out. It was really, initially they were tubes replacing fluorescent fixtures, and they were retrofit kits, and we were retrofitting shoe boxes. But it really got back then, no one knew about LED. You had metal halides out there, high pressure sodiums, fluorescent. And the key was, the key benefit that we pushed at that point was energy savings, maintenance savings, and lifetime. Back then, we were able to replace a 400 watt metal halide with a 200 watt LED and a 1000 watt metal halide with a 400 watt LED. And people were getting 60 to 70% energy savings. That was the major drive. There weren't rebates back then like there are now. And then it was your maintenance savings. LEDs at that time lasted 3 to 4 times longer than your bulb and ballast in the fixture. So the replacement cycle was a lot less. So there were significant benefits at that time back, 10, 13 years ago. Today, the benefits are even more overwhelming. Today, to replace a ballast for a 1000 watt metal halide fixture will cost you anywhere from $150 to $250. The bulb itself is $50 to $100, and then all the labor you need. There are other components you need when you're upgrading a metal halide or high pressure sodium, and the labor is just pretty intense. A new LED fixture you can get for under $200, to replace a 1000 watt, and under $100 to replace a 400 watt. So significant energy savings. And a lot of the utilities are also giving rebates. So you can get the cost of your fixture and your installation charge from some of the utilities that give rebates. Not all of them, sometimes it's less, but anything is something. So that really reduces your payback from 18 months down to, in many cases, 6 months or less through those energy savings, the rebate, and then the maintenance savings. LEDs are designed to last 5 to 10 times longer than the ballasts and bulbs out there. And in many cases, you can't get them. So LED is your best option. We're actually, where I mentioned that 400 watt LED to replace a 1000 watt metal halide or a 200 watt LED to replace a 400, you can now replace that 400 watt with a 100 watt LED. The lumens are so, you can get almost 18 to 20,000 lumens out of a 100 watt unit now for the higher lumen performance fixtures. So it's just the way to go. It's the reason to do it. Plus the light quality is so much higher. Your CRI is 80 plus on the standard products now, whereas the CRI on a metal halide is much lower. So it's not as clear, and that the color temperature is just fantastic from your 3K, 4K, or 5K. Many of the fixtures support all three, or they support 4K or 5K. That metal halide is that 2700, 3000K, which is that really yellow light, which again is very low quality. So we recommend you consider LEDs from us. You can give us a call, tell us what you have. We can recommend the right solution, give you all the benefits, point you in the direction of what rebates may be available to you. And so stay in the light. Go to our website, ledlightingsupply.com. Chat with us, call us, send us an email online, and we'll help you out. So have a great day.